Hey, everybody. Welcome to Cooking with Gracie Love. And of course, it is yours truly, Gracie Love. Now, I've been playing a lot around with curry and Thai dishes, and I have just been falling in love with the whole cuisine. And so today I'm going to show you guys how to make something real tasty and delicious. We're going to make some pineapple Thai rice. Now, when I tell you guys that this is a hitter, this is a hitter. Now, if you're a little funky about having the pineapples, of course, you can leave that out, but you really want to have that nice sweet flavor to kind of balance out the rest of the flavors that are in this dish. So let's go ahead, let's get started because I am ready to get to my favorite parts, plating and eating. So off top, I already have my rice done. So I'll go ahead and show you guys that that's already done. And then I have in this skillet here, I have some oil in there because in there we're gonna add some garlic. Okay, now you can use minced garlic, you can use the regular garlic if you have that. I don't have any more of the fresh garlic, so I'm gonna just use a little bit of minced garlic. I'm gonna add that right into my skillet here. And then we're gonna let that toast up for about 30 seconds to a minute. Just when you see that it's nice and toasted up in that oil, then we'll go ahead and move on. Now, once that gets all nice and toasted, we're gonna add this little cute little mixture here. Now, in here, I have pineapples. You can use the diced pineapples or the tidbits would be easier because they're a lot smaller, but they didn't have any more at the store. So I got the diced pineapple, a can of diced pineapple. I sliced those in half. I saved 1/4 cups of the pineapple juice. I added some cilantro and some red chili peppers. Okay, now you can use the fresh chili peppers, you can use the already cut up chili peppers in a little seasoned container, and you want to mix all those together in the bowl. So cilantro, pineapple juice, pineapple, and cilantro, I have all in here mixed up together. And so again, once that garlic is all ready, which it should be ready now, I've been talking for a while, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add in our pineapple mixture. All right, so that looks good. So now I'm gonna add in our mixture, our pineapple mixture. All of that goodness in there. I'm gonna take my spoon, scoop out the rest. It smells so good. It's like sweet, and then that cilantro in there. It's like crazy pico de gallo right now. Haha. All right. So now I got all of that mixed in, and I'm gonna let this come to a nice little boil. And once that gets to like a nice little boil, then we'll go ahead and I'm gonna add some shrimp to mine. You know, this dish also has shrimp in it, which is like just giving island vibes, right? So after we get this nice little pineapple mixture to a nice little boil, we'll go ahead and we'll add in our shrimp, and we'll add in some few other things to really help build in that flavor. So guys, don't go nowhere. We'll be right back. All right, guys, our pineapple mixture is nice and boiling up. We're gonna add a little bit of soy sauce into there. Go. All right, soy sauce is in there. Give that a quick little stir, and then we're gonna turn it off. That just smells so good. And you can also add the soy sauce when you add that mixture and let it bubble to get boil together. All right. So that looks really good. Let me show you guys. So that is the look that you want. Pineapple is in there, the juices, the cilantro, all of that in there. So now that that's in there, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna add my shrimp into that. And I'm actually gonna turn mine back on just on a very low, because these shrimp, I rinsed them and I don't want it to cool down the pineapple mixture. So we'll put that in there. And I use the jumbo shrimp, peeled in, tail off. All right. So we're gonna just give that a stir. And then once these shrimp get all cooked up and warmed up, you know, they'll get a nice little pink color, and you'll know that they're done. Then we'll go ahead and we'll add in our rice to this. So this will take about 3 to 5 minutes to get that all nice, that shrimp all nice and heated up, and then we will add the rice. I am so excited. It looks so good. It smells so good. And I just love anything that has shrimp in it with rice. You can't go wrong with that. So we'll go ahead and let our shrimp get all cooked up, and then we'll go ahead and wrap this delicious dish up. All right, so now our shrimp is all nice and cooked up. It looks and smells delicious, you guys. So now that that is all done, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add that right into our rice mixture. So we'll take this and add that into the rice mixture. I want you guys to get a good view of this. There we go. All right, so now we're gonna add this in there. Okay, baby. All right, I'm glad, because I just finished it up. So add that all in there. And we're gonna give it a nice stir. Now that we've got it all in our pan. There you go. So let's stir that up. Oh, it's a little tough. I need a big pot. And just try to fold that in there. Mine's, like I said, it's a little tough because my pan isn't that big, but that's okay. Mix that right in there. Ooh, baby, that smells so good. All right. So I got that. It's stirred as best as possible. Put all that in there. I just want to make sure I'm trying to get as much, and I made a lot of rice, so it is going to depend on how much rice you make as well. So that's what it should look like. So now it's time for your girl's favorite part. It's time to plate and it's time to eat, baby. So I got my plate right here. Gonna give me a nice healthy helping of this Thai pineapple rice. Look at that, baby. Make sure I got me some pineapple. Plenty of rice. That smells so good. Can y'all see the steam on that, baby? Y'all know I'm cooking up these hot plates, baby. There we go. Oh, yes. Shrimp, please. It's so hot. I gotta let it blow a little bit. Gotta blow a little bit. That is so good. Like I said, that sweetness of that pineapple. That's like a I want like a teriyaki kind of a thing if you into the Asian dishes, but it's just giving really sweet. And then that cilantro, that pepper, you definitely get that heat. It's not overbearing where it's blowing out your palate or taking away from any of the other flavors. And that shrimp, baby, is just divine. And I was really worried. I was a little nervous with the pineapples in there, but I'm telling you guys, you need it in there. Give it a try, okay? You won't be disappointed. All right, give me some more of this. My goodness, that is delicious. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Cooking with Gracie Love. Make sure you guys get your copy of Quick Fix Meals on Amazon. And also check out the new single featuring Red Vegas, Take Me Away. So much new things coming on. Year anniversary coming up. It's been over a year, actually, so I'm really, really excited. Again, make sure you guys subscribe, like, share, comment, and get your copy of Quick Fix Meals and check out the new single, Take Me Away, featuring Red Vegas. Until next time, guys.